Oh no, it's out of control.
One line here,
It's raining fabric?
another line there,
Oh, not again.
and I'm done. Oopsies.
What a day, the sun is bright. Smiles and laughter feel so right. Trusty and Mona on the way, crafting a better world each day. Side by side, come and play, laugh and learn along the way. Trusty and Mona, join the fun. A new adventure has just begun.
Good morning, Trusty. What are those?
They are my art glasses, Mona. I'm now a famous artist.
Oh, wow. What kind of art did you make?
The squiggly dog lines. This one's called Tree in the Park.
Very deep. Do you have a frame for it?
A frame? Oh no, I can be a real artist without a frame.
Don't worry. Let's make one from scrap fabric. No glue, no sewing. Just bowling and fun. Today, we are making a fabric frame. First, find a bit of cardboard you don't need and cut out your frame shape. Ask your growing up for help if it's tricky. We've got a special helper with us today. Let's all say hello. Hello. Great. Now, let's decorate. Pick your favorite fabric and cut it into strips. Wrap the strips around the frame and tie little knots to keep the fabric snug. Keep wrapping until you are happy with how your frame looks.
Oh, oh, that's not my drawing. Oh, what a disaster.
Our helper's frame looks fantastic. Big thumbs up! We got some thread left over. Keep it safe in your treasure box. Even the tiny fabric bits can be saved too. Don't throw them away. We can use them for another fun activity. And there you go. Lovely frames made from things you already have at home. Trusty, did you know a long time ago people used old clothes to make paper?
No way, that is so cool. Imagine writing a love letter on Granddad's old sock.
So romantic, Trusty. But that only worked with clothes made from plant fibers like cotton, linen, hemp, or even bamboo. Lots of today's clothes are made from plastic fibers like polyester, nylon, or acrylic. They're strong and stretchy, but they can be turned into paper, and plastic isn't good for the environment.
Oh no!
So, plant fibers equals paper, plastic fibers no paper.
Exactly. We can still reuse them for creative projects like today's fabric frames. Do you think you can make a fabric frame for your own masterpiece?
And frame a photo of your dog.
Look around your home, grab some fabric, some cardboard, and start creating. See you next time, friends.
Stay fancy and keep creating. Bye. I am art.